just checking my mail. So good, huh?
Okay, like that.
What's that on your toast?
Yeah.
Chia on here.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Why do you eat chia?
'Cause my bum hurts.
Oh. And then your bum feels better, right? Mm-hmm. So good. So good. Yummy in my tummy?
Yummy in the tummy.
That's right. Yummy in my tummy. Whoa. So good.
Mhm. Yummy in your tummy.
That's right. Yummy in my tummy.
Oh.
Can I get a smile, Winter? Give me a big smile.